Good day, everyone. This talent requirements overview highlights the essential skills of Ergo Pro Cubic needs to operate effectively and grow. By comparing our current capabilities with the skills required, we identify key gaps and outline how to fill them through strategic hiring, mentorship, consultants, and partnerships. This early assessment helps us allocate resources wisely, strengthen our team, and build our solid foundation to support Ergo Pro Cubic mission and long-term success. In first column, workspace design and ergonomics, our current skill level is medium. But to ensure our workspace solutions are truly ergonomic and professional, we plan to bring in one consultant. We will source this through industry experts and linked. Column B2B sales, co-working and office leasing. This is a critical skill but currently at low level. To improve, we plan to hire a sales lead. We will source this from job boards and LinkedIn where experienced B2B sales professionals are available. So in third column, operations management, we rate our operation capability as medium. To strengthen this area, we aim to work with a mentor with experience in facility or workspace operation. We will tap it into our incubator and advisor network. And in column 4, marketing for workspace solutions. Our marketing skill level is currently low. To support our campaigns, especially digital marketing, we plan to onboard 2 marketing interns, sourced through our college network. In column 5, community management. This is important for maintaining relationship with our tenants or workspace users. Our skill level is low, so we need one team member focused on community engagement. We will use referrals and HR networks to find the right fit. So in our 6th column, financial planning, our financial planning skill is low. So we plan to work with a CA or financial service provider. This will be sourced through our parents network or freelancer sites, which is cost efficient for early stage startup. So in our 7th column, we have tech integration. This includes tool for desk booking, access control, and management systems. Since our current tech capability is low, we plan to bring in a tech co-founder or tech partner. We source this through startup communities and LinkedIn ads. So our last column, social media marketing. We're at medium skill level here, but still need more support to maintain consistent online presence. We plan to hire 2 interns sourced through college email and our outreach.